Nagsara na siya pero in here in the social media tagsara na siya, but she always keeping in touch in me in Messenger. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dai. Thank you, Dai Dai. Kay katawa lagi ko na basta gibutangan pagid niyang moderator ko nga. Sige ra. Ako dili man mo reklamo po sa. Pero wala may mawala. May yan ako ba nga uy. Mingaw mo ko sa mga banding hala. Ingnan ba lang ko. Kana ang mga negative o kana ang mga positive ha ayaw ng negative. Sa pagtanaw na ko taon-taon na din ang alien. Sa ibabaw pa lang di ay nana din alien niya. Una ka nakikami ko lagi niya siya kang alien. Nga, lilibak-libak man siya dati. Masara di ito drama. O, mangutana ko. Dili ko mag-atake dirig somebody ha. Somebody attacking on alien. And then, alien also, they attack each other. Then, this person is one of my old friend. I don't want to mention the name. Then, I was there to, because I've been long time that I'm not visiting all those vloggers that who supported me. Then, when I was there, I say, oh, long time no see, hi, I say, because they are live. I never expected that the alien is already there and had a moderator. I don't care. My one point say, when I was said, oh, I've been missing those. I've been missing you. That's what I said. You know, the host said, I miss those positive, not negative. I said, did I say negative? Something not good enough. So, when I scroll it, who's people in there? That's the one thing I was shocked. Huh? Alien is in there? That alien is very, you know what? Very too much under the skin of a host. Attacking too much attack on the woman. And also the man. And now they got turned to friend back. So what the things that you doing before attacking each other is set up or making drama? I think drama. I imagine, guys, they both each other barking here, barking there, that one bark. And then hate each other. And suddenly they become friends. That's what friends are for. So those barking each other, response each other. What is that? Set up or making drama to everyone to have a viewers? Yeah. Many like making fool around for. You know what? In here in social media, mostly they acting like anger each other, hated each other, mad each other, and then in the end they go together. Wow. They making fool around to the people viewers. Yeah. That's the alien do most of the time. He hate that lady. He hate for. And the man also. He hate. And suddenly they become friends. So, meaning to say, those attacking, go live, talking for those two people, and then uploading those things, stealing their own picture, it's all drama and set up to have a viewers. Wow, you both negative and drama. That's what my comment. You both negative and drama. You said that you're telling to other people that you hate drama. Why you not explain? Why you not describe yourself? Become, you are also drama. Ako, makigbalik anang kuan, makig-amigo balik anang mga taong low class? No. Imagine ha, in Filipino, gisuka na nimo kay suko kay kanila niya. Giana na nimo ba? Gisuka na. Nganong puniton pa man nimo ang imong gisuka, gibalik nimong tuon. Ew. Mura na. In Filipino words, gidaot na ka, yatak-yatakan na ka. Nganong nakipag-amigo ka man?